In this video, I'll show you how you can create a poll in Discord without using a bot. Now, Discord has added a feature that you can easily create a poll if you have the permission, like you're the server owner or the server owner gave you the permission. Now to do this, simply press on this plus icon and there should be a create poll file. Now in here you can ask your question, you can add answers and a duration. So let's just ask pizza or burger, and we can type pizza and burger. We can choose the duration if we want, and we can also allow multiple answers if we want to do that. Simply press post and it's going to be posted in here. Then members can click and they can vote and they'll be able to see it. Now that's super simple, and it's really nice that Discord made this, because before you used to need to get the bot before you could do this, but now you can just do it from in here. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.